Today I am going to teach you gravitation. Gravitation, this is for standard 9. Gravitation is the force of attraction between two bodies. You know, in this universe, either the body is in the space or is on the earth. They attract each other towards it. Okay, they attract each other, it is and this force of attraction between two bodies is known as gravitation. When a stone is tied to a thread and it is made to rotate in a circular motion holding one end of the thread, the motion of the stone and the boy holding the thread acts as the force of attraction. If anyhow the stone gets released from the thread, in this case the stone will no more go in a circular motion. Instead, it goes straight. Okay, so the change in the direction means every change the stone while moving a circular motion, there is change in direction. Okay, at each and every point on the circular motion. So the stone goes accelerated each and every point here. The force that causes this acceleration and keeps the body moving along the circular path is acting toward the center. This force is called centripetal force, means center seeking force. Okay, in the absence of this force, the stone flies off along a straight line. This straight line will be a tangent to the circular path. You know what is tangent? So tangent is a line which touches a circle at a point, at a single point. And this tangent makes a 90 degree with the radius of the circular path. Right. The motion of the moon around the earth is due to the centripetal force. The centripetal force is provided by the force of attraction of the earth. Right. So you can say the moon is moving around the earth due to the force of gravitation. Had there been no gravitational force, then the moon would have gone straight into the space anywhere. Okay, now the question is that why does the moon moves around the earth? Why doesn't the earth moves around the sun? Okay, the answer to this question is that the force of attraction between these two is the same due to third law of Newton. To every action there is equal and opposite reaction, but the action and reaction takes place in two different objects. Therefore, the force of attraction is same here, but the acceleration produced by the earth on the moon is much more because the mass of the earth is very much as compared to the mass of the moon. Okay, the acceleration produced by the moon on the earth is very less, it is here, as compared to the acceleration produced by the earth on the moon. Therefore, the moon cannot make the earth go around it. Instead, the earth can make the moon go around it, because acceleration produced by the earth is great. Okay, next, in the same way, in our solar system, all the planets, they move around the sun, because sun is very much big as compared to the planets. Therefore, the force of attraction between these two, okay, the planets go around the sun. Now, so this is the force of attraction, and that is why there is a motion, okay, of all the planets around the sun. Now, okay, we have a universal law of gravitation. Okay, it's a universal law of gravitation. It states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with the force which is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The force is along the line joining the center of the two objects. Right? So, I'm showing you by drawing figure. I'm just showing you by drawing figure here. See here now. Two objects are there now. There is a body A and the body B having mass m and small m, it is here now. So the force of attraction between these two is G m n m m divided by d square. Just you can see, I have see in this figure, you can see here now. Look at, there is a body A and B is there. The body A and B is there. Okay, and the force of attraction between these two bodies is the distance of the center is D, and the force of attraction is given by F. It is F G, okay, G into M, a small m. This is the mass of the bigger one, this is the mass of the smaller one, divided by d square. Is it here? So this is, now what is G? G is the universal gravitational constant, it is here. G is universal gravitational constant. So the force of attraction between the two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses, but inversely proportional to their distance, the square of the distance between them. And the G is the universal gravitational constant, and the value of G is, it is like this, it is here, I'll show you. It is 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. The value of G is capital G, that is called the universal gravitational constant. The value of G is 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, it is. Right? So this is what I taught you, and in the next class once again I'll make the video about this gravitational force. Till then, I hope you will enjoy it, and thank you.